Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the Whitehead Junior Project 5. So, the Whitehead Junior Project 5 is bird hunting for pie. So, this is your project. So, here is a magical meadow. He will try to decrease our score. He will be throwing the pies and jellies, sorry, pies and fireballs. And if we have to just set the score, when the bird touches the fire, the score should increase by 1. When the bird touches the red fireball, the score should decrease by 1. So this is our project. So begin. So let's begin. So click start project, and this is very easy project. You have to do nothing, just you have to change the score. Now you have been now you have to just click remix, then only you can do the project. And now just move to the side of this one so that we can add our code, and we will add this at the last. And now don't change this. Okay, so now just now we have to do nothing, just do when actor 1 touches red fireball, go to game score, go to variables, go to variables and go to this set point, and 1 second, and go to math and select this block, delete it, go to this point and plus 1, set point to point plus 1. And the same we have to do in this. When actor 1 touches red fireball, go to variables, set set point to this. You have to do the same, and now go to variables and go to point, and now plus 1, sorry, minus 1. Here do minus 1. Yes. Now you have to go to games and score, show title screen text, bring this block, and show title screen text. Yes, score and point. Yes, score and score and point. It will show the title score, and the text should be point because it will show the point. And same, and at the same you can add uh, show title screen. You have to do the same. Show the title screen text. Yes. Score. One mistake we have done. Score. Delete it. Also delete it. Go to variables and select this point, and go to variables and select this point. If you want, you can add your own creativities in the project, but before adding, you can submit it. And before adding the before adding you can submit, share this project to the copy the you can copy this link and paste it in the Whitehead Junior dashboard dash here, and just you can paste it on here, and then you can add as you want, and then drag it here, when right arrow, when up arrow. Now just where we have set it this. Yes, so when up arrow this code, and this was here, you don't need to change this code. And now Sorry for the background noise. And now just when up arrow key press, move. Yes. Now let's check it. Well, let's check. I'm controlling the keyboard. Yes, it's working. Okay, so you won't have to type. Okay, so our project is completed here. It is very easy. If you want, you can add, or I don't want it. So here three. So yes, it's some difficult. I think not. Okay, so you can control it from here also, here cursor. And now and now the project is complete. This was very easy. And just rename it. Rename it to project 5 and click on save. And now you can submit your project on the copy the link and paste it on the Whitehead Junior dashboard. So please, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye, thanks for